In this video, I will guide you on how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, you want to head over to Account Center. Tap on that. Now find the option of Your Information and Permission. Select that. Then select Export Your Information. Now tap on Create Export. Here select Export to Device. Now find the option of Customize Information. Here you want to tap on Clear All. Here you want to select the option of Followers and Following. So make sure that only Followers and Following is tick marked and everything else is left unchecked. Now tap on Save. Once that is done, you want to select Date Range. Here you want to select All Time, then tap on Save. Now tap on Start Export. Here you will have to enter your password, so go ahead and enter that. Then tap on Continue. Now your request has been sent. You want to wait for a few hours for Instagram to process the export. Once it is ready, you will get a notification. Then you want to download the exported file and save it to your phone. Now you simply want to extract that zip file. Once you have extracted that, you want to head over to a web browser. Here you want to search compare list and open any website that is going to compare to list. Now you want to upload the following list, then upload the followers list, then click compare list. Now you will see people you follow who don't follow you back. These are the accounts that likely unfollowed you. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.